This is same bending moment diagram for fixity. Okay, this I have drawn it again here for reference. 43.61 and 43.19 MFAB and MFBA. Okay, this is minus. So what is reaction due to moment? Difference between the two moments divided by length of the span. Okay, length of the beam. So 43.61 minus 43.19 divided by 6. How much is it? 43.61 minus 43.19 divided by 6. This is 0.07, almost negligible, but still will write 0.07 kilonewton. Now moment is more at AB. Since MFAB is more than MFBA, reaction R is equal to 0.07 shall be added at A and deducted at B. So to calculate actual reactions, okay, to calculate actual reactions, we have reaction at A and reaction at B. Okay, due to simply supported, let me put these values first. Due to simply supported analysis, which we have got 35.42 and 39.58, 35.42 and 39.58. Okay, now due to fixity, we are adding at A, so plus 0.07 and deducting here, and then 35.42 plus 0.7, 0.07, 35.49 kilonewton and 39.58, 39, so this is 39.51 kilonewton. Okay, so now using this we are going to draw shear force diagram and also shear force diagram for the fixity, and finally bending moment diagram also, superimposing the value. This is 0.07, so we are adding at A, so this is like this, deducting at B. Okay, 0.07, I'm just entering them here. Okay, this also 35.49, 35.49, look at this, and 39.51, 51. Okay, I have just entered. Then here 0.07 and this is 0.07 in downward direction. Now let me draw this shear force. 0.07 up direction. Okay, no load for the fixity condition, it is only drawn for fixed condition, so minus 0.07, so it goes up, so this becomes positive. This is like this, this is like this, so above the line is positive 0.07. This is SFD for fixity. Okay, now using this we are going to draw shear force diagram, final shear force diagram. 35.49 above the line, I'm putting it on the calculator. Then so we are drawing shear force diagram, 35.49 up, then come constant here because there is no load, minus 20 into 2.5, I'm deducting for the UDL, 14.51 negative, so it comes somewhere here, so I'm drawing it like this. Okay, then from here to here, from D to E there is no load, then we have a reaction minus 25 to the same value, so down 39.51, and then from here to B there is no load. Okay, and this is 39.51, I'm adding because it is going in upward direction, so this closes with 0, this is plus, this is minus, this is shear force diagram. Okay, this is final shear force diagram. Now how to draw bending moment diagram, combined bending moment diagram? Okay, simply superimpose this and this, superimpose this over this. Okay, this is 43.19, this is 43.61. okay, and then transferring the values. 35 is somewhere here, 35.42, 66.78. okay, it will come somewhere here, 66.78, 61.47, 61 should be coming here, 61.47, and 39.6. now this and this comes under UDL, so I'm drawing a curve, okay, and then joining the remaining part with straight line. This is plus, this is minus, okay, and these are the effective or net bending moments. This completes your problem and also your first unit in analysis of structures.